Daily care is simple. Wipe and brush off excess earwax daily, and use the microfiber cloth to clean any biofilm, a clear earwax film that can be missed by the naked eye. If you notice wax or other debris on your flexies, simply let them dry and gently clean them with the cleaning brush provided in the Eargo box. If you see any wax on the microphone, flexi, the nose, contacts, or body of the device, please brush it or wipe it off, and the brush and cloth can be found in the cleaning accessories. Hold the device as you would naturally, in a horizontal position. Clean the microphone area by brushing all around it. This keeps wax from blocking the openings where sound enters the device. Visually look at the tip of the flexi. You should be able to see the white tip with small holes. Brush out the nose of the flexi, brushing the wax away from the device.